Removing window tint from a car sounds simple, but it's one of those jobs that will test your patience. If you mess it up, you'll be scraping adhesive for hours. But don't worry, I'll break it down step by step. The first pain point for most people is the leftover adhesive. The tint comes off in layers, and if you don't do it right, you'll be stuck cleaning up a sticky mess. That's why a proper process is key to saving time and sanity. Step 1. Gather your tools. You'll need a fabric steamer, a razor blade, preferably a scraper, some ammonia-based glass cleaner, a spray bottle, gloves, garbage bags, and paper towels. All of this costs maybe $25 to $30 max, way cheaper than paying a shop. Pro tip, the steamer is non-negotiable. Heat makes all the difference here. You could use a hairdryer in a pinch, but a steamer works faster and more evenly. Steam loosens the adhesive so it peels instead of flakes apart like old wall stickers. If you don't have a steamer, there's a popular garbage bag trick. Spray the inside of the window with ammonia-based cleaner, cover it with a cut-to-size garbage bag, and leave it in the sun for an hour. It creates a greenhouse effect to heat the tint. Once the tint is warm, start at a corner. Use your razor blade scraper to lift the edge just slightly. Be gentle. Digging in too hard can scratch the glass. Once you've got a grip on the edge, start pulling it off slowly and evenly. Here's where people mess it up. They yank too fast. If the tint tears, you'll have to start all over on that spot. Move slowly so the adhesive comes off with the film instead of staying behind. It's tedious, but the time saved later is massive. Still got sticky residue? This is where the steamer comes back. Apply the steam directly to the leftover gunk, then scrape it off with your blade. A few passes of steam will melt the glue and let you wipe it away like it was never there. If you're left with streaks or cloudiness, spray some glass cleaner, let it sit, and use a microfiber cloth to polish the window. That final clean wipes away any lingering film or streaks from the ammonia and adhesive residue. A lot of people skip cleaning the window tracks afterward, and that's a mistake. Bits of tint and adhesive will collect in there and scratch the glass when you roll your windows. Run your steamer in the tracks and wipe them out thoroughly. Now here's an underrated tip. Work indoors or in a shaded area. Direct sunlight dries everything too fast, whether it's ammonia spray, steam, or cleaner, making the job harder than it needs to be. Take your time and work comfortably. If any of this sounds daunting, you're not alone. A professional tint removal can cost $100 to $200 depending on the car, but that's $200 you could spend elsewhere. With patience and a little effort, it's absolutely a DIY-friendly project. Bottom line, removing car window tint is all about heat and patience. Steam is your MVP, adhesive is your enemy, and slow, steady peeling wins the game. And hey, there's something satisfying about seeing your windows all clear and streak-free again.